you're working on a career to, you know, make so you can make good money when you're older and just get it started.
Well, I know, we got some pretty special.
This class is fun.
Yeah, it's a cool learning environment.
My name's Steve McKay. I'm the instructor here at Bates Technical College Sheet Metal Technology program. I'm excited about the developments here within the program. I've been here for 7 years now. Well, I would describe sheet metal to begin with that it is a metal sheet. We begin all of our projects from a flat sheet. We're one of the very unique trades left that build everything custom. Whether we conventionally lay it out, meaning hand layout or computer-aided layout, all of our projects are very unique with respect to there's not too many projects that we use that are bought off a shelf. A usual day at Bates Technical Sheet Metal Technology program begins very promptly at 7:15.
Before the birds, I might add. And then we come here, have to be here before 7:15, of course, and check in.
Our typical day is very much like the workplace in the sheet metal occupation when the students are out in the shop. They are expected to adhere to all safety practices that are consistent with the industry as they're working out in the shop. This is used to join two pieces of duct together. This is what's called a drive turner. This forms a 180-degree bend that is used to connect ductwork. This machine here is a rolling machine. That is used to roll metal to a very specific radius. As you can see, this is our newest addition to sheet metal technology. This is a $30,000 tool, and what it is designed to do is put slight kinks and various specialized bends. This will put a nice uniform kink into metal that is used to stiffen metal. This is what's called a Rotex punch. Again, this was a significant investment, $10,000 3 years ago. What this tool does is puts precision holes in various metals. This here is what's called a magna bender. This is like a big magnet. That holds the metal in place while it's being bent. This is what's called our power shear. This is a very expensive and very powerful machine. This machine can cut up to 1/4-inch plate. We use this very frequently in the industry. Basically, it cuts metal to very precision-like cuts.
It's very hands-on. It prepares you for the jobs that you would be getting out, you know, in industries and stuff like that.
Well, Steve, he helps us out a lot. Like if we need help, it's enjoyable for me so far.
It's not just sheet metal technology that Steve is teaching us. It's, you know, craftsmanship, really, you know, how to use tools, how to work with metal, how to make a tool out of a tool.
I think a very significant point that should be made that our class level is held at 18 maximum. That's 50% of what your average K-12 metal shop is looking at. So if an individual was watching this promotional tape and can think about how little time, unfortunately, is spent with the instructor, there's at least double that here at Bates. I make an effort, even though my students are at different levels, every single one of them, I make time to spend at least, at a bare minimum, 45 minutes per day with each student that is in the class. And again, it is a positive learning atmosphere, one of which I challenge the students to think, realize that they will make mistakes along the way, but ultimately they are the steps that are involved in succeeding, is making mistakes along the way.
What I'd like to do after I graduate here is get a job, you know, get into the union, maybe even an apprenticeship type thing, make a living, you know, make the big bucks.
This program is designed to do is an apprenticeship preparatory program. This has a wonderful opportunity to prepare the students for entry into the apprenticeship with Local 66. That entails 3 titles that are available within the union. You would be referred to as a building trades apprentice, a residential apprentice, or a marine apprentice working out at Todd Shipyards. Those various titles have various job descriptions along with them. The commercial building trades apprentice would work anywhere with buildings that are larger than 15,000 square feet. The residential installer, which is very popular and very much in high demand, we're excited about building that into the program. That, as everyone knows, or should know, that Washington is one of the fastest growing states within our nation, referring to houses. Sheet metal workers on the residential side of things fabricate, install, design sheet metal components that ultimately make the customer or residents comfortable.
Want more info? Check us out online at www.bates.cdc.edu/sheetmetal.